Hello and welcome back to AutoMobility Store's YouTube channel. Today in this video, I thought it was a good idea to compare these two units because Pride Mobility always being innovative and coming up with new stuff and just bettering their products as they go. So yeah, this video is comparing the Jazzy Carbon folding power chair versus their brand new Jazzy Ultralight. So I just want to kind of explain the differences here. So both will give you a 300-pound weight capacity, so that hasn't changed. The main difference in this new Ultralight versus the Carbon is the frame is now completely carbon fiber. The Jazzy Carbon has some aluminum, giving it a little bit more weight. So now the new Ultralight, it's going to be lighter. In total, when you remove the battery on this, the total weight is only 33 pounds. It's so light. So that's the main difference here on the Ultralight. So Ultralight, 33 pounds without the battery. The Jazzy Carbon without the battery is 39.6 pounds. So yeah, over 6.5 pound difference, which makes a big difference with these. Driving range, you're gonna get on the Carbon 9.3 miles per charge. With the Ultralight, and I do apologize, this thing is so new, I have to look this stuff up. I might have to get back to you on the driving range on the Ultralight, but 9.3 on the Carbon. And then one of the other main differences on the Ultralight is the wheels. So the rear wheel on the Ultralight, it's a little over 10 inches. So your drive wheel's a lot bigger. Front wheels are 8 inches. On the Carbon, though, they are only 8.5-inch drive wheels, so they're significantly smaller. So on the Ultralight, you're going to get less weight, bigger tires, so it will be able to handle some better terrain. Really, one over the other. If you're wanting to save money, the Jazzy Carbon is still an amazing power chair. Still pretty light, even at 39.6 pounds without the battery. So if you are looking to save money, the Carbon is still definitely a good way to go. Because you are going to spend a little more on this Ultralight, but for good reason. Lighter, bigger wheels. So check it out. If you have any questions, give AutoMobility Store a call. We're at 800-431-3183.